We're having a look at the EufyCam 3 S3. Here we have a look at the EufyCam 3 S330 is a model number. As you can see, here's the cameras and also the home-based base station. Now it does come with 4K recording, which is fantastic. We're going to test out how good that is shortly. Also the bionic mind technology, and again wire-free technology. So it does use wireless to be able to connect the devices up. Now here's a bit more about the Eufy at the background. So as you can see here, it does connect wirelessly to other Eufy products as well. So if you've got a doorbell, for example, you can connect them together, which is great. That's compatible with previous products. Here's a bit more about what comes with. So there's a bit more about the battery life, stay power forever. We'll go into those shortly as well, so we can talk a bit more detail about how that works, and also the Eufy app, which we'll go into shortly. So you can look at how you can actually use that app when you're using the cameras. So take the box out. Just takes a minute. So here we go. So here's the cameras. So here's the home-based base station, as you can see here, and here's the two cameras that it comes with. Just going to jump and have a look at the home-based base station to start with. We'll come back to the cameras in a minute. So it comes with enough local storage to last 3 months. But what you can do is you can actually do expandable storage into there. So I'm going to go and use this 1 terabyte hard drive to expand the storage. So let me open this up. So it's pretty straightforward. Just got to make sure you align it to where it's meant to go. So there. And then you put it back in that way, like that. And that's how easy it is. Now the great thing is there's no monthly storage fees as well. Like other sites require you to actually upload your security to the server. You don't have to here. So there's the base station. Again, you can you need to connect it through using Ethernet cable just there. Your USB charging and also your power point there as well. So again, it does work with other Eufy enabled devices, which is great. So you don't have to go and buy any new stuff. So let's go and have a look back at the cameras and see what comes with them. So here are the cameras here. Now straight away, what I like straight away is the weight of them. They feel quite light, but as well as good build quality. So there you can see there. Now the great thing with these cameras is they do human recognition. So the bionic human recognition, so bionic mind AI learning can actually recognize human faces and also pets. So you don't have to worry about false alarms going off all the time. Now these can also, with the battery with these as well, so they can last 365 days through being solar powered. So there's actually solar power panels on here as well. So you basically don't have to charge it really ever. Just 2 hours direct sunlight provides the charging, and they've got the built-in 1300 hertz battery as well in here. So yeah, it keeps it going, even cloudy days as well. Now it's a very cloudy day in Brisbane at the moment, so I'll be able to test how effective that is. Now the great thing is the cameras are also IP67 durable, which means they'll get through rain, dust, cloud. They reckon they get down to minus 20 degrees as well, which means that if you live in extreme climates, it'll be good for you because you can use them quite well. Again, the cameras use 4K technology. They've got a spotlight in them. You've got two-way talking. The ability really to, and they can also got an alarm as well. Now the alarm goes up to 100 decibels too. So if it goes off, it's going to go and scare any of those intruders. And we'll go in shortly about how that works. We're about to install the alarm shortly. Let's go and have a look what comes also in the box. Let's go take a look. We'll just move that back. So let's open it up. So you've got the mounts as well. So this screws into the camera and that screws into the wall. The thing I like with this is just 2 screws as well. I'm not actually an expert in installing stuff, so it's going to be very good to see how well it works for me doing this. If it's easy for me, then guys, anyone can do it. So let's go and have a look in the box as well. So there's the, sorry, I'll take the guide out here. So there's the user guide, a bit about the instructions about how to use it. You've got your Ethernet cable as well, charging cable, and you've got your USB charging there as well. So very, very excellent integrated kit. And I'm very, very keen to see how this works when we go on about. So, but yeah, here's the cameras just here.